Welcome to Alikare, and this is Thea. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean the scalp from flakes and also from the eczema from coming down on the skin, because sometimes we do have eczema in the hair. The lighting not showing up the flakes in her scalp as much as I wanted to. See how it spot up her forehead, and as you can see right here, those flakes that I'm talking about, and especially when you braid your hair, it just scratch you everlasting. So what I'm going to do is give her a treatment to clean the scalp. This is how I mix the treatment. Right there we have cholesterol and some hair mayonnaise, just to give the hair some body. And then I'm gonna put in my lime juice, so that's lime juice and vinegar. I did went ahead and put 3% hydrogen peroxide in this mixture. I forget to show you because I forget was to take up the bottle, but 3% hydrogen peroxide was there also. Then I went ahead and sectioned the hair and then just apply it in small section. Before I did that, I did give the hair a 2 shampoo and then towel dry and then applying it now. So after this application, what it does, it clean the scalp. It also helps to strip off any buildup of chemical on the hair, straighten the root, and leave the scalp moisturized and not dry but not too oily for it to itch her. Also, it's good so the flakes don't come down on her forehead and spot it up, because most time we think we have acne, and trust me, it's not that we just have acne. We have sensitive skin, and the dandruff and the flakes that comes off the eczema will come down in your face and your pillowcase and spot you up. So you have to be careful to change your pillowcase as often as possible and get your scalp treated as often as possible. There are so many things out there that the doctor can recommend, but just in case, if you want to try this, it really work and it really leave your scalp really clean. Then I went ahead and leave a processing cap for 25 minutes. After I take off the processing cap, I wash it out, and then now I'm going to mix coconut oil and tea tree. So the coconut oil will moisturize the scalp, not leaving it dry, and also the tea tree oil have a lot of antioxidant properties, so I go ahead and use that as the oil for our hair. And we have to be careful when we have eczema on our scalp or dandruff or flaky dandruff. What will happen, this product that we use, even though the product is nice, can also affect the scalp because it cannot deal with certain products. Just as if you have eczema and the skin, you can't use any product no matter how nice it is. So you have to do what works for you. Then I went ahead and pressed out the hair. It looked like it relaxed, but it's not. I just give it some press it out for it to look good. And then I'm just showing you here how clean the scalp is, but my apology, you can't see the flakes that was there as bold as how I wanted it to show. And this is her hair, and I tell her to let it go so it breathes. Breeze catch your scalp instead of catching it up. When you have these things too, you need to give the air breeze, let fresh air catch the scalp and so forth. Not always false hairs is good. For certain skin type, need to let the hair breathe, the follicles of the hair breathe. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Thank you so much.